Hello dear friends, my name is Timur. I am a sales engineer of BST Drilling Equipment Plant. Today I would like to present you a brand new model of self-propelled machine, the multifunctional self-propelled drilling rig and excavator. This machine combines two types of rig, a drilling rig and an excavator. It gives you the opportunity to use the functions of two machines, buying only one. The advantages of this rig are obvious. This multi-purpose machine as a drilling rig allows you to realize different drilling projects, for example exploration researches or drilling water wells. With the help of this excavator you can easily lay all service lines to a building. Also, this excavator can be useful in landscape designing because it has got a dozer blade and can level the surface of the ground. This rig can be equipped with different engines, from 15 up to 120 horsepower. The maximum torque of a rotator is up to 4000 Newton meters. The driving gear of a rotator is hydraulic. The rotation frequency is up to 350 RPM. This rig can be equipped with a mast for operation with 1.5, 2 and 3 meters tools. The drilling depth depends on the type of the rig mounted on the scroller and can be as much as 200 meters. As to the excavator, its configuration can also vary. It can be equipped with 200, 400 and 600 buckets. It allows this rig to complete different tasks. The depth of digging is 2.5 meters. Both the drilling rig and excavator can be easily removed and exchanged. For example, if you want to turn this excavator into a drilling rig, you should turn off this faucet of hydraulic liquid delivery, disconnect this quick detachable joining, disconnect this fixator and remove the excavator platform from the base. For the installation of drilling rig platform, you should execute all these actions in reverse order. You can do it easily. It takes about 5 minutes. So, if you want me to prepare a personal quotation for you, feel free to contact me on my phone number +7 922708005 or text to my email bst.barakaev@gmail.com. And remember, BST company helps you to get money from underground.